Zhengzhou Lanshuo Electronics Company Limited Medium Frequency Induction Melting Furnace. The whole set of induction melting furnace consists of a medium frequency power supply cabinet, capacitor bank, water-cooled cables, smelting furnace unit, furnace tube mechanism, and a cooling system. The sorted and treated scrap steel is transported to the melting furnace by the electromagnetic sucker. The medium-frequency induction melting furnace melts the metal quickly. The furnace body can be one for use and one for standby.